Hello, I'm Jack and I'd like to show you how I made my short film The Allotment using just my mobile phone and a film editing app. I started by having an idea for the film and then writing the script which had all of the words that the actors will say. Next, I drew a storyboard. This is like a cartoon strip and shows each scene or shot that has to be filmed. I created each of my film sets using things from around the house as props. My actors are all toys. You can film each scene in the order of your storyboard, but in my case the action involved going past and coming back past the same scene twice. So I filmed both ways before moving on to my next scene. If your action moves through the scene, like mine, it is good to always move the same way. My actors move left to right to get to the allotment and right to left to get back home. My film is made up of 7 scenes with 17 shots. I made the introduction screen and the end credits by filming a computer screen, but you could film a drawing or painting. Now I need to put everything together in a film editing app. In the app, I drop in or load each shot in the right order. Then you can simply play them to see if they work.
What should we do today?
How about we go to the allotment?
Yay!
If any of your shots are too long with nothing happening, you can split them and throw away the boring bits. This can make your film move faster and be more interesting.
How about we go to the allotment?
Yay!
When you're happy with your work, then you need to save or export your film. Then you can share it with your family and friends at your grand premiere.